Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Simplified. If you're an Uber Eats fan with an iPhone, you're in for a treat. Today, we're breaking down how to pay for your Uber Eats orders using Apple Pay in 2025. This method is super convenient, secure, and lightning fast, making your food deliveries even smoother. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need the latest Uber Eats app on your iPhone or iPad, and Apple Pay set up with a compatible debit or credit card. If you haven't added a card to Apple Pay yet, head to your wallet app and do that quickly. It's straightforward and takes just a minute. Alright, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app and log in to your account. Once you're in, browse for your favorite restaurant or search for something delicious. Step 2. Add items to your cart by selecting them and customizing as needed. Think toppings, sizes, or quantities. Step 3. When you're ready to order, tap on the cart icon and hit Checkout. Step 4. On the payment page, look for the list of options and select Apple Pay. It should show up as a quick, touch-free choice. Step 5. Double-check your order details, then authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. This adds an extra layer of security. Step 6. Confirm the payment, and voila, your order is placed. One quick tip. If Apple Pay doesn't appear as an option, ensure your device is updated to the latest iOS and that you're in a location where Apple Pay is supported. Uber Eats might also require you to verify your card details occasionally for added security. And there you have it. Paying with Apple Pay on Uber Eats is that easy. It's perfect for busy days when you want to skip the hassle of manual payments. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.